I'll dance this through here.
I had a bit of an oil accident. Hi guys, this is part 2 of the Skoda Revival video. If you missed part 1, that will be somewhere up here in a suggested video. And for part 2, I'm going to be finishing the car off and putting it through an MOT. It's day 4 of me working on this. I'm currently in the middle of disassembling the rear brakes. The first thing I'm going to do though is, because it's Monday, I'm going to run over to CPH and skim the front discs. And when I come back, I will get onto the other side of the brakes. We're also going to try winding these calipers back, see if they will wind back. And if they won't, then it's going to have to get new calipers, but hopefully they'll wind back, because I'm sick of spending money on new parts for this entirely new front suspension. I don't really want to spend much more money on it. Alright, so I'm trying to wind the caliper back at the moment, and doesn't seem to want to budge. No, I can't get this to wind back. So that's one caliper unsuccessfully pushed back. Let's see if the front ones will work.
Change the brake push over to that one.
Yeah,
it's good.
Okay, so good news. Both of the front brake calipers have wound back. So that means I don't have to replace 2 of them. So it's now day 5 of working on this Skoda. Unfortunately day 4 I wasn't able to get that much done. I had some other stuff I had to do. I think what I'm going to do now is just paint the brake calipers, because you know, it's not like I have anything important to do like the suspension.
There you go. Double check. Right one. Tighten that, tighten that. Good. Right. So that, go there. There you go. Nice job done. So we're going to jiggle right in there, yeah. So you're only tough. In there. Right, you can jiggle it in. Just jiggle it in. little bit there. Slide it in. There's 1 mil between that and pad to fit on.
Right, so I've got my dad to thank for quite a lot of the work that's... If I can say words, that'd be helpful, wouldn't it? About That's Life. Was that originally a Frank Sinatra song? So, I've got my dad to thank for a lot of the work that's been done on this. He has been filming him doing it. Unfortunately, I've not been able to be here, but I'm back now. It's been a few days, and I'm going to fit the lower arms to this now. Would you mind picking that up? There we go.
It wasn't a very coordinated double kill.
Should be alright with this one. I'll dance this through here. Yeah, he's on. Don't you just love the aesthetic of like a rusty old part with like brand new part right next to it? Unfortunately, we discovered that these shocks don't have the eyelet for the anti-roll bar link. So they're going to have to come off, and we're going to have to get some that do have this anti-roll bar link. This slides up. It's probably got a bit of a thread kind of pattern in there though.
Okay,
So now we have the front strut assembly together. Now we have an eyelet for our anti-roll bar link. So I'm going to throw these on the car.
have you softened that one there? Put your nuts on through you and...
Yep. There we go, bud. There's your new home. Right, so we've got the front suspension built up, everything's tightened up, got the caliper on, still don't have the correct front brake hose. 3 sets sent down now and all of them wrong, so we've ordered another set from the dealers. Hopefully they'll be arriving by tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to move on to doing the engine service, so I'm going to do an oil flush and then change the oil filter. I had a bit of an oil accident. Where's the brake clean gun?
You seem to have an watch, did you?
Yeah, no.
You know what? There's it. It's on camera.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
We don't put a switch in. Right.
So in a rush to get it ready for its MOT, the filming in this next section is not going to be fantastic, and I apologise for that. But that's kind of the thing with one-man filming. When you're rushing, you kind of just chucking the camera wherever it is, and if it catches something, great. So I apologise about this next section, but hopefully you still enjoy the video. Okay, so it's like notched. I see. Does it come down or up? Oh, down. Yeah, that's off.
Yeah.
Have you got a handbrake?
What looking?
Yeah, 2 6. In my pocket, they're here. I dropped the bonnet. So there it goes for its MOT. We'll find out in about an hour or so whether it's actually passed or not. I hope it's going to pass because I'm not going to have a car otherwise, but you know, here's what it is. So great news, it's passed its MOT. I hold in my hand the MOT pass certificate. So this means that it's road legal. I can actually use the thing after spending 2.5 weeks fixing it when I only thought it was going to be 3 days. That's the end of this video, but in the next one I'm going to be doing a full detail of the car. I'm not going for perfection here, I'm polishing it, and it's going to look a lot nicer. That's the only thing I'm going for, is nicer than it sits already. You'll also get to see it get all its 4 years of sitting crud power washed off it as well. So if you're into those types of videos, please check out the next one. If you haven't checked out the first part of this video, please do so in one of them suggestion things here. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.